welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into connecting MongoDB with Node.js using Mongoose. Make sure that you have installed latest Node.js version on your system.
Making out my Windows terminal to create a directory, and in the directory, I am initializing my node project using the command npm init -5. This command is used to initialize the project with package.json file, and I'm opening it in the VS Code, and I'm creating two files, index.js and mongoose.js, where I'll be writing the schema and connection string in the mongoose.js, and in the index.js, I'll be writing on the server code. And now I'm installing the necessary dependencies like Mongoose, Node Express, Node Lab. Node 1 will be used to restart the server every time when we make changes to the files.
Coming to mongoose.js file, let's import Mongoose library and also schema and model methods to create the schema. Let's store the schema in the user variable. I'm adding name a string, mail also a string, password also a string, and another parameter age. It's a number, so I'm giving the data type as number. Let's create the model instance here, naming it as user, capital user. So now I'm exporting it. We have completed defining the schema and exporting it. Let's get connection string through MongoDB website. Go there and click on connect on the cluster 0. So we'll be using Compass to connect to the database. So I have Compass installed on my system. I'm copying the string and opening the Compass and pasting it there. Enter the password and click on connect. You can see the list of databases there, and I'm copying the connection string, and you can store the connection string here and in the mongoose.js file, and we'll be exporting both the user model and URI from this mongoose.js file.
Now let's go to index.js file, where we'll be writing all the code here, server code. Let's import Mongoose library and Express also. I'm creating the Express instance using Express method and storing the instance in the app variable. I'm using this express.json method to pass the data to JSON format. Whenever there is a response from the server, it will be converted into JSON format. So I'm importing the user and user model and the URI from the mongoose.js file, and then I'm using the connect method from the Mongoose to connect to the database. I'm sending the URI to the connect method as a parameter, and then I'm using then in catch blocks to verify whether the connection is successful or not. In the then method, if the connection is successful, it will be we'll get the response in the console as connection is successful, or else we'll get the error mentioned in the console statement. And then I'm giving the port number as 5000. This listen method will assign a port number to the app like Express server instance. So after successful connection, we'll be getting the message in the console. Let's start the server. So see, the connection is successful. And this is the part 1 only for connection. Let's dive deep more into APIs from the next videos. Thanks.